Yeah. Dog where?
Yeah.
Got him.
It's very rare owners come collect their dogs.
Get back. Back up. Oh,
He's asked for the camera to leave.
yeah, sorry. Kia ora, I'm Rob Peterson. I'm a Senior Animal Management Officer for the Proactive Team for the Auckland Council.
Kia ora, I'm Amelia Ashley. I am a Proactive Animal Management Officer.
Rob and Amelia are on the front line of dog patrol in Tāmaki ki te Tonga.
Lead on, Navigator. We cover Manurewa, Mangere, Papakura and Otara, the four main areas in South Auckland.
This year, 60% of Auckland's impounded dogs were found in these areas.
Roaming dogs is prevalent in the areas that we work in because people don't understand that they need to be kept contained.
Every roaming dog can become an attacking dog.
Their first patrol of the day is during the morning school run.
What we do is we patrol every school for the Education Board to make sure that the kids as they're walking to school are safe from roaming dogs and that sort of stuff.
It's not long before they spot a roaming kuri.
Dog where?
There.
Got him.
Rob and Amelia have to be alert.
What are you doing? Hi, buddy boy. He's going back that way. He's crossing the road. From that house.
From that house there, eh?
Told ya.
The sheer fact that he was on the street, we saw him, he's roaming. Yep, and that's an offence. But now he's managed to get himself back into his yard, and we'll see if the owners are home.
The behaviour of dogs and their owners can be unpredictable.
That'll do. That'll do. No, no, no. No need to bark. Get back. Back up. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good dog. That's a good dog. I know, you're all scared. What in the... Can we talk to you for a minute, please? Oh,
He's asked for the camera
yeah.
to leave.
Yeah, sorry.
We're full all the time, like every day we're full. It's never ending here.
The number of dogs impounded in Auckland have almost doubled in the last 5 years. Most will end up here at the animal management shelter in Manukau.
So this morning we had about 27. We had a litter of 10 that was dumped yesterday in a park, all very sickly, ribs are showing.
Justine Ngere is a kaimahi at the shelter.
We start work at 7, so once we come in, the first thing we do is check the dogs in, give them breakfast, try find the owner. This is one of our little fluffies. Hi, baby. Hello. So she's just gone for a little walk overnight and has ended up here just waiting for the owner to come, come collect.
She looks like she's got a tag on.
Yeah, so she's registered.
Yeah.
She is registered. She's just waiting for the owner to come through. So this is another dog that's come through overnight. Very friendly with us, not friendly with other dogs. He's very dog aggressive.
After 7 days, the dogs become council property.
At the moment, we're just waiting for his owners to come forward and come collect him. If no one collects him, we put him through a temperament test and see how he goes, and hopefully he passes and goes up for adoption.
Yeah. How many owners come in, collect their dogs?
It's very rare owners come collect their dogs. It's quite sad. We know the ones that will come collect their dogs, they're already registered, microchip. They've just gone for a little roam overnight, but we know the owners will definitely come get them. The ones that aren't microchipped, aren't registered, it's quite hard trying to contact the owners, but we do post photos of them on Facebook.
As soon as the impounding increases, unfortunately the euthanasias increase.
Last year, almost 50% more dogs were euthanised than the previous year. This number up to more than 6,000.
So unfortunately we can't keep every dog that comes through the door, including puppies. So there's a number of factors that we have to consider when a dog has been here for 7 days and the owner hasn't come forward. They include the temperament, the health of the dog, and ultimately it comes down to the space.
A lot of the space is taken up by dogs that cause attacks.
So Bali attacked someone, which is why he's come in. I believe the attack was pretty serious. As you can see, he's quite aggressive. Any noise will make him pop off. Any new faces, he's just like this.
On average, we have about 35 to 40 dogs that we are holding that are going through a court case. We're legally obligated to hold them here, and it puts a huge toll on the staff because they work with these dogs for a long, long time.
I'll show you our prosecution aisle so you can get to see like the rest of our long-termers.
Last year, there were 1,341 dog attacks in Tāmaki Makaurau, but the city isn't alone.
They were big dogs, and he was a small man. He had no chance. The police couldn't even verbalise what he looked like.
In August, Northland man Abel Weda was found guilty of manslaughter when Neville Thompson was mauled to death by dogs owned by Weda in 2022. The prosecution is the first of its kind in New Zealand. Auckland Council has brought more dog attack prosecutions than ever before, but court cases can take years.
Once a dog is claimed with us, we hold that dog until the outcome is decided, and that's from the courts, so it can range from 3 months to 4 years. It all depends on the process and the number of appeals.
Back on patrol, Rob and Amelia are assessing a potentially heated situation with the owner of a roaming dog.
Yeah, okay.
How do you manage when people get aggressive?
Take a breath for a start. We normally do a school patrol run so that when the kids are going to school, we just keep an eye out for roaming dogs.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and the young one was over there, so good on him. He ran back in.
The little one.
The little one.
Oh,
The little
sorry
one.
about that.
He was upset. Didn't believe the dog was out, but that's okay. He was not going to calm down with the camera. So that's why I had to ask you to not film. And then you saw he was quite approachable. He came up, shook hands, had a good korero, and then he's gone back inside. He's been given a what we call a notice to register, 3 days for both dogs. He's not angry with us. He's angry at the situation. He's thinking dollar signs. Yeah, but thinking we're going to pick his dogs up and take them today. Well, we weren't doing that. We're trying to seek compliance and responsible dog ownership.
Do you get painted as the bad guys all the time?
We do have some wonderful people that really recognise the good work that we do, but unfortunately there's a high number of people that focus on the negative components of our role. But the violence and aggression that we've seen towards staff members, both in the field and in our shelter environment, has increased significantly.
With such pressure on both shelters and staff, this year the council opened its first clinic dedicated to desexing dogs.
Oh, darn.
The council targets dogs in areas where there's high numbers of roaming and attacks. Today, the clinic's vet, Hannah, will be doing 3 desexing operations. First up is Santos.
So now I'm just going to make the first incision. So I'm just going to incise kind of over the testicles. And you'll see it just pops kind of straight out.
His operation takes mere minutes.
And then we just tear this ligament here, and that just helps us to exteriorize it a bit.
Just a bit of a rip there.
Next up, Lolly will be having her uterus removed.
Dogs don't go through menopause. They will continue to reproduce for most of their life. There was one dog who we saw recently for her desexing, and her owners told us that she just had a litter recently of 21 puppies. Obviously, it does cost a lot of money to, get your dog registered, desexed, microchipped, and it's often things that people want to be able to do for their dogs, but they're just not financially in a position to do that. I think that can be associated with feelings of shame, and it's really nice that we're able to remove that burden.
What's the one piece of advice you'd give to dog owners about how they can help the situation?
I think desexing.
Get a dog for the right reasons and understand that it's going to take time, effort, money. You've got to feed, we're talking training, we're talking vets, we're talking the whole kit. You've got to understand that that's what it involves. It's not about just getting a dog to keep someone happy and then it just sits in the backyard and does nothing all day. But you get for the right reasons.
Justine Ngere knows the job isn't for everyone, but it's mahi that can make a big difference, especially if dogs can find a new home.
This is Sabrina. She's just passed her temperament test yesterday, so she'll be going to our Pukikoe Adoption Centre and she'll be ready to find her a new home. You are such a show off. You are such a show off.
For more Hui content, subscribe to our YouTube channel.